Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a couple of Glam ZGallerie inspired vases. And so what you're going to need some of these gunmetal, or you could pick up some silver beads. And you also need some white beads or pearls. And they're from EFavormart. I also have some white iridescent glitter and silver iridescent glitter, both from EFavormart. EFavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have EFavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need 2 of these fishbowl shaped vases or candle holders. And if you decide to do something optional like a pedestal or a base on the bottom of the vase, you could pick up a pack of these Tealight holders. They come in a pack of 2 and they're from Dollar Tree as well. I also have some of this Mod Podge from Dollar Tree. Now if I decide to make the pedestal, put the pedestal on here, I'll be using hot glue on my project. But if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete these beautiful projects, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these ZGallerie inspired marble vases turn out absolutely beautifully? They were so easy to make. Now the pedestal that I added is an optional thing, so you don't actually have to add the pedestal if you don't want to do that. It's just an optional piece. But yeah, they turned out absolutely beautiful. You could do them in any number of colors. And let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple Glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of Glam DIYs and Glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. Thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.